guys see me well? Yeah. Welcome to another video. It's your boy Lucky Sam the Explorer. I'm so happy to make this video for you guys. And then I want to give a shout out to you guys for supporting Lucky Sam the Explorer. I'm so happy about that. When I started YouTube, I thought I wouldn't make it here. So the 795 subscribers I have, I know there is hope. I believe by the end of February, I'm going to hit 1 and then K subscribers. I know you guys will help me get there. So without wasting much time, I want to read last week's video comments to you guys. What you guys wrote for me, I want to read it out for you guys. It's a form of showing love to you guys. I want to do this in every single video, giving you guys shout out. So let me read a comment of last week's video for you. We have Mike. Yeah, he said, "Go higher, dude." Yeah, bless up, bro. He also gave another comment. He said, "I'm loving you, bro." Thanks, bro. God bless you. We have Calabortree. He said, "Professional workman." Yo, man. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. But I'm still learning. You know how we do it. Yeah, I'm still learning. We have Gabriel Inkum. He gave me that fire thing. You know how we do. We have Amayao. Yeah. He said, "Splendid." Thanks, bro. Big ups. Thanks, bro. And then we have Mike again. He said, "Great job, bro." Yeah, Mike, big ups. And then we have Angela Frimpoma. Yeah. So I made a video with this girl and 3 of my friends. This video here, yeah. And Angela was in the video, so please go check her out. Go click on this video. I'll put a link up here. One of them, just click on it and go watch that video and support Angela, okay? She's doing really great. Have Keteku Eden. He said, good work done, dear." So thank you very much. And then we have Amit Kumar. He said, "Wow, great work. Thank you. You know, we just started, you know. And I promise to give you all amazing content, you know. I have rebranded my YouTube page. You can see I've rebranded my page. Yeah, I'm trying to do really great work for you guys, okay? And then we have Aprit Singh. He said, "Keep it up, bro." Yo, Aprit. God bless you. Thank you. We're in February now, so I have to announce the end of January's winner. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You know, this video is gonna take a little bit longer, but please pardon me. Yeah. And the winner is... You see that? The winner is Mike. And then the comment below is, "Go higher, dude." Mike, God bless you. God bless you. You won $35. I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to reach out to you, email you, and give you your cash, dude. God bless you. So this is real. This is real. I'm not faking this. So please subscribe. Get into the challenge. We have 6 months more, I think. We have February, March, April, May, June, July. 6 months more. Please get into the challenge. You can win $35. I know I'm talking too much, so let's get into today's video. Yo guys, in today's video, I'm going to make the lace challenge. I'm going to try which one of these chips will suit my taste. Are you ready, guys? So guys, it's the lace challenge, and then let the challenge begin. Let's go. Just like I'm eating raw tomatoes. I don't like this. Let me go for this one too. I'm liking this one. I'm liking this one, but the salt is too much. It has too much salt in it. Let me see for. This one too has the taste. Then this one, let me see. It has lime in it. It has a sour taste. I don't like this one. This and this are out. So let me see. Let me try this one. I like this one. It has onions in it. I really like this one. Yeah. This one tastes like cheese balls. So which one am I going to go for? This one tastes good. This two also tastes good. This also tastes good. This also tastes good. So who is going to go out? Let me just go another round. Wait. This gotta go out. So we have this one. 1, 2, 3. So who's going to go out next? I would like to go another round again and see for this tree which one is going to go down. Let me start from here. Y'all got the taste, dude. You got the taste. I'm loving the thrill of it. I'm loving it. I think I have to make this go down. Yeah. So we got the final two. Let's see. See, this has a raw potato taste, and this one has a potato taste with onions. I'm kind of liking this one over this. This one tastes raw, like chopped potatoes fried. You got it. Yeah, it has a raw taste, and then this one has the same potato, but it has onion taste, and I like it. I think I like this over this. So I'm sorry, dude. So I think this is the winner. I like this one. It has the right taste. Okay, this is the American style cream onion flavor. It's the American style cream onion flavor. American style cream and onion flavor. Yeah, I think I like this one over all of it. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I like this over the 4 down here. Then congratulations to you, Mike. You won $35. I'm gonna reach out to you. Stay blessed. Thanks to everyone who helped me get 791 subscribers. I say God bless you. Keep pushing me up. Get into the challenge. Let's make this big. God bless you. Stay safe.